ThermoMate has done it again, the easy to install all electric water heater. This is the 18 kilowatt all electric water heater, no gas piping required. It comes in this super sleek 17 inches by 12 inch design. The mounting guide is included, the safety and owner manual is included, all the mounting hardware provided, operating knob, and 2 washers for the water lines. With the positioning guide lined up exactly where you want it, you literally can take the mounting plates and screw right through the paper. That way you're assured to get the exact locations to hang your new water heater. Next, you're safe to do your water inlet and your hot water outlet. Of course, they're marked with blue and red. The washers are provided. The blue side has a screen in there for filtration. When installing tankless water heaters, it's smart to use these valves. These service valves, you'll put a little bit of Teflon tape on the grooves. It'll only take a few extra seconds to install them. Your temperature pressure release valve will go here. You have your hot shutoff and your cold shutoff. Also, these are serviceable ports, so you can flush out your tankless water heater in the future. Now, if your connector already has a washer, you do not need Teflon tape on the grooves. If your connector does not have a washer, go ahead and put Teflon tape on the grooves, on the threads. These 3/4 inch connectors are made for water heaters, and they already have a gasket in there. Snug it up with a pipe wrench or an adjustable wrench. Once it gets tight and snug, I like to give it a final quarter turn or so. Decently tight, but not overly tight. Of course, you'll do a water test before you turn on the power to check for leaks. Next, let's move on to the electrical connections. For that, we're going to take off the cover plate. Okay, it's an all-electric water heater. This is a 240 volt system. You'll need 2 separate circuit breakers. We'll have 2 hots of the black and 2 hots of the white conductor that we're using as a hot. I'll show you that in a moment. Okay, I'm not going to show the inside of an electrical panel because if you're not comfortable or feel confident, do not do that. Hire an electrician out for this portion. For this water heater, you will need 2 separate 240 volt circuit breakers. Those are double breakers. So you need 2 of them. And then you need a conductor of 8 gauge thickness for 40 amps each. And we'll use the white as a hot. A lot of people will mark with electrical tape or otherwise colored black on the ends of your white conductor if you're using it as a hot. This particular model of water heater does not have a separate ground wire. It's just the 2 hots. They alternate in current, and that's why it works. 2 blacks and 2 second conductors. That's the correct configuration. Okay, bring your line in through, and it's clearly labeled, your 2 blacks and your 2 reds, which will just be the second conductor. Okay, so as long as you have them on the same side, you did it correctly. We got 2 blacks and 2 hots or red, if a second conductor is all that is. So you're lined up correctly. Tighten up your wire strain relief clamps on the bottom. Okay, with the water connection secured, with the electrical connection secured, we can put our cover plate back on now. Don't forget the 4 screws in each corner that hold the cover on securely. Thank you to ThermoMate for sending me this electric water heater. This is the 18 kilowatt easy to install water heater. Power button, you can adjust the temperature. It comes factory set at 120 degrees Fahrenheit.